Looking for a smarter way to create professional adverts without hiring actors or filming videos?
Traditional advertising can be expensive, time-consuming, and difficult to scale. With VO3, you can generate adverts using realistic AI characters that look and sound like real people.
These characters speak naturally, maintain eye contact, and deliver your message just like a real actor. All you need is a simple advert script and a clear prompt describing the character, background, and delivery style. In just minutes, you can generate a polished advert ready for social media, websites, or marketing campaigns. This saves time and gives you full creative control over your advertising content.
We tell ChatGPT that we want to do an advert video for this brand. We will use VEO3 for the video generation, and our audience is family. Next, I tell ChatGPT that I want to match the ad with Ramadan. Now that our prompt is ready, the first one is the overall style prompt, and we are to use it in every scene out of the 8 scenes that ChatGPT has given to us. Then we tell ChatGPT to generate image for each scene. Starting from scene 1, when the image is ready, we go for scene 2 until all our images are ready. Now, we will open VEO3 and select ingredients to video, input our overall style prompt, then our scene 1 prompt, then click on the plus icon to add image for the first scene. Select portrait if you are using 16:9 or landscape if you are using 9:16, then click on crop and save. Wait for the image to upload, then click on send by your right side. Give it some seconds for the video to be ready, then you click on the download button and select original size. For other scenes, we are going to follow the same process as we did for the first scene until all our scene videos are ready. For the editing, we will be using CapCut. We bring our videos one by one, scene after scene. You will notice that our videos have sounds in them, so we are going to mute the sound. For each video, we will reduce the speed. We are not going to split the video or reduce the length. Instead, we will select the speed option. Instead of 8 seconds, we will make it 3 seconds. We do this for all the parts. Finally, we are going to select audio to add for our new video. Click on audio, select Dev if you already have song you want to add, navigate through and add. Then you cut off excess parts.
If this helped you understand how to create adverts with realistic characters using VEO3, like the video and follow free AI and Video Studio for more AI video tutorials. And if you need help with anything, you can join my WhatsApp group. The link is in the description.